Hello and welcome. Today I will be unpacking this Hoover Discovery Turbo cordless vacuum cleaner. Model number DS22PTG1. First thing out the back box is the wall bracket. The extension tube. The instruction book with screws and the seal for the head. The charger, the motorised little turbo head, the Cresif tool and little dusting brush, the flat head and another dusting brush, the main powered head, and the main motor head. The battery is in the back again. So assembly is quite simple. Main head on first. That just pushes on, and that just pushes on again. And then there's a little button on this one so you can turn the brush head off if you want, you know, on hard floors, so you don't have to have the brush going round. And the filter unclips on the back. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.